So my name is Dr. Zoran Djinović, and I'm coming from Austrian Center of Medical Innovation and Technology. And I would like to say that this conference was very interesting for me. There were and there is still a very interesting topic in biomedical science. So I am very, very satisfied with the versatility of the topics, with high topic or high level of these topics and the presenters. So I hope that in the future I will also take a part in the next conferences, and I wish a great success for this conference, not only nowadays but also in the future. That's all.